Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And markets opening with a very big gap down today, right? And then the markets kind of tried to recover a little bit, but then continue to move down throughout the day, right? So now it looks like the market is giving a breakout failure because in the daily charts, if you see, just give me a second. Yes, if you see in the daily chart, Bank Nifty had given a breakout above this trend line and now it has again come below this trend line, right? So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow will be a very important day. Most probably tomorrow will be a very important day to watch out for. Is the market holding this level and is there buying coming in from this level, or are we seeing continuous selling on the downside? Because if we are seeing continuous selling tomorrow also, that means this is a breakout failure and then the market has a lot of space to go down. At least market can easily go on down till 44,000 on the downside, right? So definitely, I mean 45,000 first of all, and then 44,000 on the downside. If you see in the weekly charts also, market is not looking very good over here. If you see, market has made a kind of an engulfing candle, but yes, there are definitely 2 more days left. So we will see how the market reacts, right? Anyways, talking about Nifty, if you see, has also given a breakout failure. Nifty had gone above 20,000 over here, but then if you see, market has closed below 20,000 today and near the day's low. So tomorrow will be a very important day. And if this is a breakout failure, then tomorrow itself we will see another good selling pressure, at least till, and market will close below major levels, right? Nifty will close definitely, probably again close below near 19,800 or below it, and Bank Nifty can easily close near 45,000, right? So definitely tomorrow will be an important day to look out for, right? Now talking about Bank Nifty in 15-minute chart. Now first of all, if you see this, gap down was because of HDFC Bank. There was a bad news in HDFC Bank. So if the FIS or the big institutions feel like, yes, definitely, that news is a big thing and the market should correct even more, tomorrow itself we will see a lot of selling, right? Same thing in Nifty also. There was a block deal in Reliance, because of which Reliance started to move down, and and that's why Nifty was also very weak, right? So both Nifty and Bank Nifty over here are definitely looking very negative. But tomorrow, as I said, will be an important day. If the market is holding this level and there is buying coming in from 45,300 over here, and in Nifty, if there is buying coming in from, this range over here, 19,880 to 19,000, kind of, you can say 800, this range. If there is buying coming in from this range, that means the market is still not ready to go down, and then maybe we might see a consolidation in this broad range for a long time, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then we could see a breakout or a breakdown again happening, right? So what can we do for tomorrow? Very simple, right? Now if we think that there's a breakdown failure, and if the market opens flat or with any sort of small gap up or a gap down, as soon as Bank Nifty crosses 45,290, you guys can go ahead and take a short position in Bank Nifty, and then they can easily keep a target of 45,000 on the downside. Because if this is a breakout failure that has happened in Bank Nifty, right, we will get our target very easily, and we'll see such sort of selling tomorrow also, and we can easily get 45,000 on the downside. And then if we do not see good buying coming even from 45,000, then we can hold our trades for even bigger targets on the downside. But if you want to, you can book all of your profits at 45,000 and let the and close off your trades over there, right? Very simple. That is if you open flat or with a small gap up or a gap down, right, and then cross 45,290 on the downside. If you open with a very big gap down, say somewhere near 45,200, then we'll wait for a pullback till at least 45,350, right? Till where exactly I'm saying is, if you see where this range over here, right, 45,500 to 45,550, this 50-point range is where most of the trading has happened in the day, right? So a lot of positions are in this 50-point range only in Bank Nifty futures. So if market opens with a gap down and comes back to that level, a lot of people will get an exit and they will start exiting their positions, right? Exiting their bullish positions, because of which we'll again take resistance from this place and start moving down, right? So once if we open in a very big gap down, say somewhere near 45,200, then we'll wait for a pullback till 45,350 to 300 levels, right? And then once the market starts making negative price action in 5-minute chart over here, then we will go bearish from here again till the target of 45,000 on the downside, right? However, if you open the very big gap up, right, anywhere near 45,700 or like anywhere above 45,600, then we'll need to see price action first of all in the first 50, in the first, in the first two or three candles, two or three 15-minute candles. If the market is showing that buying is happening from here, then one trade that you can take is that above 45,700, once we get a proper closing in 15 minutes, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till 45,900. You can take this gap filling trade, but definitely things will be volatile if that happens, because then all the shorts will be trapped, and then the market may see a little bit of short covering, a little bit of volatility. So then if we open with a very big gap up, then that means market is still not ready to go down, and this might be just a bit of profit booking or a sell off, or just some sort of a sell off due to some sort of a bad news in the market, right? Some sort of temporary bad news. So yeah, if we open with a very big gap up, then we will do, then as I said, we can take this gap filling trade, but other than that, there is not really a good trade that we can take. And also take this trade with less quantity, because as I said, things can be a little bit volatile over here if you open with a very big gap up, right? However, as I said, if you open with any sort of a gap up, any sort of a gap up near 45,500 also, then also we will wait for 45,300 to be broken, and then once 45,300 is broken, then we can go bearish from there till the target of 45,000. In Nifty, if you see, Nifty also again 20,000 will now act as a good resistance, because a lot of people had kept their stop losses at 20,000, right? And a lot of people will also be stuck at 20,000 when they would have maybe taken a position over here in these candles, right? So now if the market does come up from here, and if you see market is taking good resistance from 20,000 levels, right? If you see, that was also today's opening, so definitely there is a lot of volume over there. So if the market is taking good resistance from 20,000, if you see negative price action being built in Nifty, after say we open a gap up with at somewhere near 20,000, right? And if we see negative price action being built in Nifty near 20,000, then you can go short in Nifty from there also till the target of 19,900. But if the market has to go for a sell-off, we will not see, typically we will not see such a big gap up opening, right? We'll probably open somewhere near 19,950, that is also fine. And once we then break 19,880 on the downside, we can go short over here till our first target of 19,810 on the downside. But yes, as I said, if this is a breakout failure, even 19,800 will be broken tomorrow itself, or at least we will not see good buying coming in from there. However, if we are seeing good buying coming in from 19,800, right? If we are seeing big green candles being made from 19,800, or if we are seeing even positive price action being built at 19,800, then we'll book our profits, and then we can think about going long the next day, because then that means market is taking support, and probably market might move in this range from 19,800 to 20,200 for a long time, and then go somewhere either on the upside or on the downside, right? So that is for Nifty. If we however open flat, or if you are however open flat and cross, you can still take the bearish trade, right? And then we'll go bearish aggressively. We will take a stop loss, that's fine. Say maybe market goes below this low, and then maybe goes down a little bit and then reverses, that's fine. But if this is a real breakout failure, we can make very good money in Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, right? If we open with a very big gap down somewhere near 19,800, then we'll wait for a pullback till 19,900, and once we start seeing negative price action being built, that is when we will go ahead and take a short position in Nifty again till the first target of 19,800, and then we can hold it for even bigger targets for positional basis, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. And if this, as I said, if this is a real breakout failure, right, then we will see good selling again tomorrow. And again, do not short at lower levels, right? If we open with a very big gap down, do not go ahead and short like right away as soon as the market opens, wait for market to at least come back and fill this gap, come back till today's closing price, and then go ahead and short. Or if you see some sort of a negative price action, right? Like in Bank Nifty, if you see in the 5 minute chart, there was a, if you see, there was kind of this double top pattern being built over here, and then you could have taken a short position. So at least see some sort of this sort of price action and then short, right? Do not go short, aggressively, because it is still not confirmed that is it a breakout failure or not. But tomorrow we will get to know if this is a breakout failure or not, right? If this won't be a breakout failure, tomorrow itself we'll see a very good buying coming in and market will close at higher levels, right? So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.